Hello everyone. 5 phrases when we use regularly can help us build resilient kids. First one, it's okay to be upset. Let's talk about it. Let your kids come and talk to you and discuss their stress levels with you. Second one, it's brave to ask for help. My dear parents, please encourage your kids to ask for help when it's needed. Do not put false mindset in them that you have to be strong, you can always be strong, you should never let out your emotions. Please don't do that. The reasons for depressions and all these kind of mental health issues is purely because they don't talk. So whenever you see them that they are low because your parents you would know, or they are not comfortable with something, keep reiterating this phrase to them that it's always brave to talk. Third one is, let's focus on what we can control. Teach them not to be worrying, getting stressed about things that are not in their control, something that which they really don't have in their hands. For example, when they have an exam, writing the exam well is all that is then in their control, so they have to study well, but the result is not. So no point stressing about thinking that what's going to happen with the marks. Fourth point is, you don't have to be perfect to try again. Don't try and induce perfection into their head. There is nothing called as perfect in this universe. So if they've done something wrong, it's okay. Let them try. Let them give their best shot the next time so that they come out stronger. And the last point is giving them the authority and the confidence that they can do it. You have handled tricky things earlier, so I'm sure you can handle this one too. Give them the power to decide. Don't always have that control and keep deciding for them. They will never learn to be independent mindfully and emotionally. Do let me know how these phrases connected with you and how changing this vocabulary in your everyday life has helped you have a better bonding with your child. Do subscribe to my channel for more such parenting tips, and you can get in touch with me for any kind of parent counseling or career counseling for your kids. Until then, it's me Neha signing off. Bye bye.